Hello, Olivia. Hi, my name is Charles Marine. I am with Warley Digital. We are a business that focuses on helping. This is me over here. Um, we're a business that focuses on helping local businesses get more clients and find more clients and hopefully grow organically. Now, this is without advertisements, just using your online asset, your website, and search engine optimization to help you get there. We also deal with Google Ads and Facebook ads. All right, so let's take a look at your website. Now, first thing I want to answer, the reason I do these videos is because I know as business owners, a lot of business owners do not have the time to actually learn these skills. And there's so much information out there, so many people out there. I wanted to just give you a few free tips. Take them, use them, give them to the person who's designing your website or doing your search engine optimization, and hopefully you can grow. The other reason I do this is because I've learned. I mean, we all know about 90% of people use Google to search for local businesses. 70% of those stay on the same page. So it's important to be on the front page of Google. So I'm going to give you a few tips of how to optimize with Google and how you can get better recognized by your clients. And those three tips are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is everything that's on your page. Actually, before I get started, I just want to talk a little bit about the design of your page. Um, I have to admit that sometimes you have very small font that's harder to see. And then there's some wide open spaces that are, like here, that are just wide open spaces, which I guess you could do a little bit more with. You don't have that much text. Well, here's your mission statement. I would increase the font if possible. And your pictures are great, I have to admit. I mean, these are natural, good-looking pictures. Um, yeah. So just about the design, just have it flow a little bit better. I would make this header a little bit smaller. I can see you designed it with Wix. I would find out if there's a way to get rid of this little banner and have it looking, a little balanced. And yeah, I do like your color scheme though, because green is one of my favorite colors. Uh, my mom's favorite color. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Now, content has everything to do with what I've highlighted. All the text, the images, everything that's on your page. Google reads all of that. Google also reads what's behind the images. So what you've saved your images as, you see this is just a random string of numbers. I would save it as a keyword which people type into Google to look for your service. For example, if I was looking for daycare in Harrisburg, that phrase is a keyword. And this is where what's known as keyword research is important, because when people look for your business, they will start to type certain keywords. And if you can find out how many people are looking for certain keywords, you're better off if you have them on your page so that Google can put you in front of those searches. For example, I have a tool. It's a very popular tool. It's called Ahrefs. It helps you analyze websites and keywords, etc. And I'm going to take this daycare Harrisburg keyword and put it into my tool, daycare Harrisburg PA, actually. You see, if keywords are that specific, if you don't have PA, you see that there's a different kind of volume. About 70 people search for that per month. But if you have PA in there, about 400 people search for that per month. And this tool can also break it down by domain. And now you get to see your competitors. For example, LLCDC, these guys get 44 people from those 700 a month. And if we go to their website, I saw this before, they're located in Harrisburg, so I'm sure that these are your competitors. But back to the tool, that's why it's important to include these different kind of keywords, because you get to find out how many people are searching for them. Part of my research, I also I would let's go back to the domain. I'd go to your competitor and find out what keywords they are ranking for and why they're getting so much traffic. So, for example, daycares in Harrisburg, PA, 300 people search for that per month, and they're in the 8th position. They get 12 people a month. So that's 12 plus 44 with the other. All these, each and every keyword that they're ranking for draws in a certain amount of traffic. That's why it's important to include the relevant keywords and make yourself rank higher and higher and higher. And you do that by getting to know what your potential clients or customers are looking for. All right, let's go back to your website. So, like I was saying, Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative, keyword-rich text. So I would definitely increase the amount of text on your page. And by authoritative, I mean text that says who you are, what you do, what services you provide, what kind of curriculum, your locations that you service, etc. I would even go a little bit deeper into what goes on each of these days. I kind of like your schedule that you have. So that's content. The next thing is citations. Let's go back to the search. Now, once you type in a keyword in Google, you'll usually see Google Ads. Then you'll see a map pack here. Now, Google Ads are always hit or miss. Depending on your niche, they can get expensive, and sometimes people have ad blockers, so they don't get to see the ads. I tell clients it's hit or miss. But if you want fast leads, really fast, Google Ads are a good way to go. Now, citations have to do with this section here, known as the map pack, where you have 3 businesses and a map. And if you click on more businesses, you will see more businesses in the map pack. You can tell that it's location based. Now, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Well, it comes down to number of citations that you have in different directories across the internet. And by citations, I mean where your name, address, and phone number appears in different directories like Yelp, LinkedIn, Dexnos, Yext, Better Business Bureau, etc. I would have to do some research to find out which directories are with early learning centers and daycares, but it's possible to find out which directories your competitors are in and make sure that you're in there. And, because you want to stay on top on the front page, double or triple the number of directories that your competitors are in. But make sure it's your exact name, exact phone number, and exact address, the same way it appears on Google, on your Google My Business page. And by your Google My Business page, I just Googled you here. This is what I mean, your Google My Business. Just another thing about ranking higher in the map pack is your GMB, your Google My Business. Google optimizes for about 20 to 25 pictures. And if you can say something more about your program and what you do in the description. So therefore Google knows, okay, I'll put this person in front. So the last thing I want to talk about, and let's go back to the other search, DK Harrisburg, is backlinks or backlinks. Backlinks have to do with this section that's below the map pack called the organic listing section. Now the way to rank higher and higher here is through what's known as backlinks. If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linking to each other, a backlink is when one web page links directly to you, directing traffic to you. But not all backlinks are the same. If it's a Pizza Hut directing traffic to you, probably that will not help much. Google sees that that's a different niche and will count it as kind of spammy. But if it's say it's a like KinderCare, we know KinderCare is good, is very popular around. If they had a blog on their main website and mentioned you guys that and had a link directing traffic to you, that would be a good backlink. Again, let me go back to my tool. We're gonna look at the backlinks, analyze the backlinks that you have. So let's grab your website here and put it into this tool. Um, Here, let me just open it in a new tab. Okay, you barely have any backlinks there, and you're not ranking for any keywords. Now, if we go to your competitor, LLCDC, I want to go on the overview. I can tell that they have about 215 backlinks, and they're ranking for a lot of keywords. So I would come in, analyze the backlinks, make sure I appear on those sites and many more. You can tell that a lot of these are just directories, like yellow pages, super pages, WizCare, I believe, is a directory as well. So I would make sure you appear, or you have a backlink to a lot of relevant websites, so that Google can recognize you're an authority and then start to put you in front of searches. So that's my analysis. Those are the three things I wanted to talk to you about. I mean, to just give you a few tips. Content, citations, and backlinks. Make sure you incorporate these when if you're editing your site. And with content, I would definitely add a lot more text and make it a little bit more readable, so that anybody, any age, any ability, etc., can easily just look at your site and know exactly what's going on. Thank you very much, Olivia. I hope this helps you. Sorry it's taken so long, and it's also, I wanted to be below 10 minutes. Thanks for watching this far. Again, I am Charles with Wally Digital, and I hope this has been informative. Thank you.